myself Kishore Kumar Hanumantappa Kaudeki. I am Associate Professor in Instrumentation in Government College of Engineering and Research, Avsari, Pune. Okay. So today we will be going to do the experiment on the pneumatic trainer kit. We will be going to study the pneumatic circuit. What is meant by pneumatic circuit? That is what we will be going to see in theoretical classes. I think it's already been covered regarding pneumatic circuit. Let us see it practically how we will be going to perform the pneumatic circuitry. This is a demo. I will be going to give a demo of one pneumatic circuit. Okay. So now as you can see, the air from the compressor, it is going to the manifold. From the compressor, the air will be going to the manifold. Manifold, you can say it is just a junction box or distribution box, you can call it. These are the isolation valves. So here I will be going to give an example of one circuit. So from this manifold, we are going to connect it to one of the supply of the direction control valve, and the other two ports, A port and B port, we are going to connect it to the A port and B port of the double acting cylinder. Okay. Now this whole circuit, whatever we have seen now, right from this manifold to the direction control valve, and from direction control valve this is going to the actuator. These are the A port and B port. This is going to the actuator. Yes. So now we will be going to see the demonstration. Now all the connections has been made. This is what is called as the pneumatic circuit. Okay, the main purpose of this direction control valve is to change the direction of the flow of the airflow, direction of the airflow. Okay. Now this is the hand lever operated direction control valve. Then when I actuate this direction control valve, you can see the actuation of the double acting cylinder.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now it is in the extended position. Now you see, when I again change the actuate this direction control valve, this direct double acting cylinder is been retracted.
Yes.
Extended, retracted, extended, retracted, extended, retracted, extended, retracted, extended, retracted, extended, retracted. Okay, now I want to tell you regarding this. This is called as the pneumatic tubing. This tube is different and pipe is different. In case of tubes, we will be going to specify the OD, whether it is the quarter inch, 3/8 inch or half inch. Such three different specifications are available for this tube. Remember, whenever you talk regarding pneumatics, you talk this as a tube. You call it as a tube. Now here you can see the connectors. Here you can see the port. Here we are having the ring. We will be going to press it and just insert this tube inside it, and then it will get attached. When any specific corrections are to be made, it will get attached immediately. So this was regarding the pneumatic circuit. I have demonstrated you one pneumatic circuit. Similarly, you can construct another pneumatic circuit wherein you will be going to connect this two position 3-way control valve to the single acting cylinder, or it may be also given to the motor. Now when we change this position of the direction control valve, you can see the motor will be going to get stopped. Okay, motor has been stopped.
Is there any variation in this?
बंद 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 कर